What's up, YouTube? Well, we're here with a 2009 Hyundai Genesis. It's the dealership right here. Got the mechanic trying to check it out. I'm having an issue. Well, it has battery. It has 12 volts. The battery's fine. I have the battery charging, by the way. But either way, I have a Mac Tools jump box directly hooked up. I got the Power Pro. The key has battery. I replaced the key fob battery less than a month ago. That was fine. But I get in. Nothing. You know, then I saw this video about holding it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I count too fast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing, mate. You know? So what's up? I'm Birthday Louie. I do music. I do art. I sell cars. Whatever the fuck you need. But I'm trying to figure this out now. Stay tuned. So 2009 Hyundai Genesis 3 fuck. Alright, anyways. It's a 6-cylinder, guys, okay? I can't answer all your questions at once. But I can tell you it's a 6-cylinder. And stay tuned. We're going to try and figure this out together. But either way, we'll just try and figure it out. We got 12 volts of voltage left here. And I got the Power Pro running out, but either way, it's not starting. And I have to get this car painted. I have a customer for it. So I'm trying to figure this out. And my friend just pulled up, but okay.